Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, people. May saliva. So before I'm going to start, guys, I want to give a shout out to Kim Lucino. He's one of my neighbor before, but he's not living here anymore. He transferred somewhere else, I guess in Dumaguete, if I remember it right. So hi Gam, miss you. So today's videos, guys, is the continuation of the videos that I make the other day, and if you haven't watched that videos yet, I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you can check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe if you want to. And some questions, just leave a comment below. And here it is. Here is the footage. So enjoy watching.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. A drink, so baby, put me close up in the backseat of your Rover, then I know you can.
So Juby leave already. So now we're here at the store of my mom. We're going to look at the store because she's gonna go in the market. And look at the people there. They're doing some chismes. And look at that. This is our... I don't know if you can see it, guys, but this is the dry fish with tomato and cucumber. So they're talking, guys, to the people that their house is damaged. So the hurricane hit some houses here in Lupon. The weather is really bad earlier. Good thing right now is it's already calmed down. I feel sad that people who affected to the hurricane. Did I pronounce it right? Hurricane? Hurricane? I don't know. I'm enjoying my food. They're enjoying his Christmas too. Listen. Rita is here because I didn't know the price of the vegetable, guys. Guba ang balay, Kol?
Wasak.
Kalasa sila matulog, Kol?
Ako kitawagan kan balay lang matulog.
Ah. Tanan man ka ha.
Lama naman ka.
So the caretaker of the vegetable is they already trying to build it because they don't have a place to stay. So according to the crew of Iboy, he said that his situation is more better compared to the caretaker of the vegetable farm. It because part of the damage of his house is the terrace only, but we're going to check it out, guys. So if it is not raining right now, I want to go there, but it's raining. Guys, we're going to check the houses that affected to the hurricane, guys. So first that we're gonna go is to the brother of my uncle, brother-in-law. Let's check it out. How's the situation there? How we can help. Oh, look at that. One of the affected area. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo. Look at that. That's the Lotto outlet, the one I talk about in my live. Mao ni call, dire call. Oh. Kasi na-apil din ni diri ah? Now we're here. The travel time from my parents' house to here, it's 5 minutes ride motorbike. The government visit them already. I guess they're going to help, but we just don't know how much help that they're gonna give.
Under the trees, I found a box of black pearls. I couldn't believe.
Yet, but this is how it look like here right now, guys. The situation is really bad.
That it could change our known world. Under the stars. One night I
So the only left is the toilet. So that's their dirty kitchen. So that's the tree that fall. So they already cut it. So I guess that tree will gonna be useful. I guess they can use it to build a new house. So we cannot interview the owner of the house because the owner of the house is in the hospital right now. The lumber hit his head, that's why he is in the hospital right now. So the one who is here only is the son, and the neighbor is the one who we talk right now. So I asked him if the one of the government worker is already here. Then he said that it's already came here and interview, and he need to get some certificate to prove that their house is really damaged. But look at this tree produce a fruits. So we call this one tambis. Very cute. Ang mga sudan. So according to the people that we talk, guys, all the food, because this one is karinderya, all the food, guys, from the karinderya, the hurricane transfer it in the road. Brad, wait tilaw dra, Brad. Wait tilaw. Pwede tilaw. So we're going to have a free taste of durian. Hala na magiging kawani na apel diri imo ha. Wala na patong sa ulo mo. Na. This is a dangerous, guys, if the hurricane transfer this one and threw it in the people's head. Tilaw na ko tilaw.
Ay, hatag mo niya, no?
Huy.
Bumalik ko tayo dyan dire.
Buong tilaw lang, oy. I want to buy but I didn't bring money. So we're just gonna have a free taste. Free taste.
Kuliti.
Thank you in advance. Uy, upaw!
Wala, dili ba hubo?
Kakal! Angko. Ngili ako. This is good.
Kamot-kamot ba?
Sa'yo, mauwan ako, libre biya.
Siya kay Anay, Brad.
Ay, Brad, akong tutubuan ka.
Brad, tara mo.
Lagi.
Break na dyan tayo sa fronton. Patay, ang fronton ba? Giarsa.
Para sa imo ha.
Buha mo, yakap ito fronton.
Sure ka?
Sure.
Thank you.
Salamat. Di mo ko kung pag-oriente.
Salamat!
Di ka mo kag-oriente kasi hindi mo kagana.
Thank you.
Mamang ko may kwarta ba? Oo, gani. Sinso na kay ka ba? Mari daw mo sa last na. Mari daw mo sporty ba?
Tasa kul tawit te. So this is his house. So it's not that bad. Oy, asa may naigo? So that's the crew of Iboy. Sulod me. Ambot na apil mo? Okay, so I asked them if they are included to the government assistant, but he said that no. Well, the damage is not that bad though. So this is the only damage.
Ay, okay.
The terrace.
Gatong lagi waiting.
The terrace. So this is the terrace before.
Isa pa nang ako andri at
So this is all the. So I guess they can still reuse with this. Some. So not that bad.
Lagi tiga diri ano naigo na ito wala.
Wala na apilang balay.
Abi gani na mo maibot.
Asa ba? Ay diri ah. Oh, okay.
Barangay te, kagahan mo. Naman na to DMRC na nauna mo.
So they're using a hose connected to the deep well there, the other side, and have a drainage here. So this is the lot is for sale. So now we're on our way to the house of the caretaker of the vegetable farm. Piyaw, hindi ko ito kapagputag. Hala. Sumuli sana inuri. No, ba talaga? Uy, ka doon. So this one, look at that. This one is the house of the caretaker of the vegetable. Halati mo ako naman. Ayo. Wala iro. Tingog mga iya. Mabadog. Ops! Ma! Ma!
Just let go. We must find new meaning. Amen. My words are burning inside out. I won't go away. There will be no more win or lose. I'll be the one to.
Karon na mami naabot ni Jerry pod.
So let's have some snack. Free snack. Sila pero mag-try dyan kita binangaon dito.
So ano?
Diyos ko.
Naon niya dito nga.
Dito. Pero sige lang, uy. Okay na lang, ti. Uy, bus driver. So this is, asa man to? So this is the free food from the government yesterday. So this one. So have a free rice Pila te? 5 kilos?
5 kilos.
5 kilos and some
Tinapa ko ano siya.
like this.
Patupat na sila. Tinapa upon.
Dusin na kabok.
Can lang. 12 can? Yeah, it's 12
Among naman
can.
nakaon.
Yeah, they use it already, so
Amo na.
it is 12 can, but they already eat some. Kan walay kape
Kini.
and free coffee.
Sigo gunaw na si auntie mo mag-ilis si
And this is how it look like here inside.
Saa lagi.
Kuti pag-ilis na. Wa man di kataguan mo gasa mag-ilis kay pati mang
So according with them, the government is already came here, but they said that
si Ambana.
they just need to wait, and there is no month or time that they give when they can help. So they fix the roof for the meantime so that they have some place to sleep over. But the government assured them that the government will gonna help. It is just like they cannot tell when. That's why they repair it. So it's gonna be like this temporarily until the government will gonna help them. So let's go near to that house. So the owner of that house is a foreigner from India. Look at that. Wow. I feel sad to the owner of that house. You know what? They just built it and it's damaged already. They're not even done build with it. It's not, the construction is not fully done, but the hurricane hit it already. Oh my god, I'm sorry to the owner of that house.
Okay ra ka timilay?
Kira.